In this video, we'll show you how to use the Chalk Gold Lesson History feature to view all of the saved changes to your lesson and restore or recover deleted content. Navigate to a lesson from any view in Planboard and click the Options button in the Lesson Editor. Click on Lesson History in the menu and you will see this window. Here you can click on a saved version of your lesson in the left panel to view its contents and can compare it to the current state in Planboard. You can use the search bar to more easily find missing content, and can look further back to changes you saved weeks or months ago. Lesson history is useful not just for selecting previous versions of a lesson, but can be used to restore lessons that were deleted or overwritten. Once you've selected the lesson state you want to save, you can click Restore, and the contents will be loaded back into your lesson. The Chalk Gold Lesson History feature gives you greater control over your lesson content in Planboard.